This black Scottish cat was found abandoned on the streets. I named him Lucky. Thought he didn't seem very lucky at first. He went through months of treatment at 2 veterinary clinics and 1 animal hospital. He was even hospitalized for a while. Then I took him to clinic near my home for daily injections. When I was found him, he were just 2.5 kilograms as a big adult cat near the death. There are another video in the channel when I was found him first time. I will put in description below. Today Lucky is healthy, happy and weighs almost 5 kilograms. He fought for his life and won. Then I found another kitten, also abandoned. A Scottish mix, maybe father is tabby cat. I named him Optimus. I brought him into my kickboxing studio to care for him with my another street cats. I temporarily took my other 3 cats to my mom's place. Lucky doesn't get along with other cats and gets stressed easily. I wanted Lucky and Optimus to have calm, safe place. It was time to get both of them neutered. I negotiated a good price with the vet because their medical care had already drained my resource emotionally and financially. Both surgeries went well. This part is very important. Who loves cat? This is kind of warning. After a few days later the surgery, something changed in the Optimus. He lost balance while walking, running. He became weak and lost his spark. It turned out that his immune system had dropped after the neutering. And he developed FIB, a neurological form. It used to be a fatal, untreatable disease just a few years ago. But now there is hope thanks to new discovered medicine. Through an online support community, I managed to get the medicine. Now I give him his dose every 12 hours for 90 days straight. I am hopeful that Optimus will recover. Meanwhile, I have to be very careful with Lucky too, because he is corona positive, and if his immune system weakens, he is at risk of developing FIB as well. FIB is transmitted through feces, so I keep Optimus in a separate room. I only let them play briefly during medicine time. The vet said that the risk of transmission drops about 25 days into treatment. By the way, FIB can be triggered by a weakened immune system. Post-surgery care is extremely important. Those 2 little souls were left to fend for themselves. But now they are not alone. Their lives are just beginning. And I believe Optimus will heal too, because together we are strong. If this story moved you, don't forget to share and subscribe. Maybe we can give hope to one more life.